Hey guys, welcome. We're doing something new today. I'm gonna try slope soaring. We'll see what happens. If I lose the plane, I lose the plane. Whatever, we'll give it a go. So I'm here today with Simon. We'll see how it goes. Maybe he'll fly and I won't. We'll see. But we'll give it a go. Beautiful. We'll see how we go. Alright, here we go. We're just about to go to the launch area. Let's see how we go. Simon's gonna show me how it goes. Show me the lay of the land. Show me the ropes. And we'll give it a go. And there's people coming. You good, mate? Alright, Simon, let's go! Oh, straight up. Too easy. Look at that. And look at the other bird there. Is that a kestrel or something? Oh, how cool is that? Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. I got it. Nice! Look at that! That's why you've got gold wings, my friend. That's why you have gold wings.
You'll be fine, man. It's very steady.
we suffered a wing break because we tried to do aerobatics in the tracer. So yeah, it's all good. That was like at least a 40 minute flight. That was brilliant. She performed really well until I tried to do some aerobatics and pulled up on the elevator a little bit too much. Put too much stress on this wing here, and unfortunately it even broke the carbon rod, which is a little bit sucky, but that's all right. We'll remake it. Hopefully, no, yep, I didn't break the tail, so that's good.